Hello everyone. So today's video topic is if you are not able to download or install apps on your Android mobile phone. In this video I will share few steps you can apply. So first, check the date and time. Make sure date and time is correct on your Android phone. After that, you have to check your internal storage of your phone. So click on my files and check that you have sufficient amount of free space in your Android mobile phone. This is your step 2. Now move on to the next step. Open settings on your phone. Click on settings. After that, search for apps. So scroll down, then click on apps. Now you have to search for few apps. So scroll down and search for Google Play Service and Google Play Store. So these are the two applications. So first, click on Google Play Store, and now you have to scroll down and click on storage and then clear the data and clear the cache. So click on clear data, click on delete. So this will clear all the junk file and cache files. Now click on the second app, Google Play Services, click on it. Now again do the same thing, go to storage, then click on clear data, then click on clear all data, confirm. After that, click on clear cache. Okay, then again click on clear data, then click on clear all data. Okay, then click on delete. That's it. Now go back, and after that you have to search for one more app called Download Manager. So you have to click on this option, these three lines. Then you have to enable this option, show system apps, enable this option. So this will show you the system apps as well. Now you have to search for Download Manager. So scroll down and search for the Download Manager app. So this is the app we need, Download Manager. Click on it. After that, make sure this app is enabled. So currently it is disabled. So you have to click on enable to enable this app. Okay. After that, again go to storage, then click on clear cache, click on delete. That's it. After that, restart your phone and check. In the most cases, this will fix the issue. Now move on to the next step. If you are still getting the same issue, again open settings, go to apps, click on apps. After that, search for Google Play Store, click on Google Play Store app, click on it, and after that you have to click on these three dots at the top right corner, click on it, and then click on uninstall updates. So this will uninstall the updates. Click on OK. After that, immediately restart your phone and this will automatically update your Google Play Store again. So these are the few steps you can apply, and you can also update your Android phone as well. So these are the steps you can apply. This is all for the video.